Parrots in the Amazon rainforest are some of the most vibrant and captivating creatures in the world. These birds, known for their dazzling plumage and remarkable intelligence, are a common sight in the lush, dense foliage of the Amazon. Their feathers display a breathtaking array of colors, including greens, reds, yellows, blues, and oranges, which help them blend seamlessly into the vibrant environment. Parrots in this region include species like macaws, amazons, and parakeets. Macaws, such as the scarlet macaw and blue and yellow macaw, are particularly iconic, known for their large size and striking appearance. Amazon parrots, smaller but equally colorful, are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and sounds. These birds are highly social, often seen in flocks, chattering loudly as they fly or perch on trees. They feed on a diet of seeds, nuts, fruits, and flowers, often contributing to the rainforest's ecosystem by dispersing seeds.